It's us.
What's up, Fave fam? We back with another video, and I got another voiceover for y'all. Today we're gonna be doing a taper on my boy TBJ25, Playmaker Gang. I know you probably gonna like that intro, but today we're doing a mid burst taper on him. It's only just one taper, so the video gonna be real short for y'all, and it's gonna be straight to the point. Just pick out the hair he gonna start off with. Now we finna cut down the bulk. He wanted to do a one open all across for his top length, and then I'll be back once we get to the taper. And if this video helps you in any type of way, futuristically, you know, even if you need to come back to the video and watch it again, go ahead and please do that. Like the video so you can save it, or save it to a playlist that you have. And say if you're watching this for purely entertainment, I thank you for watching the video. And go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me so you can watch more videos like this. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments. And say if you want more voiceover tutorials, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Ball guideline, we're setting it in so we can begin this taper process. This will be the first step that you take when you're starting your tapering. I put it in a curve, like a little rainbow shape. There's various ways that you can take to set this ball guideline in. Now we're going lever open with no guard on my wall with my wall seniors, and you know, go over it about 2 or 3 times, you know, to set that guideline in. Next step, taking my one guard and just go up above that guideline about a good inch, and right here we're gonna go in with our 1.5 guard lever open to set in another guideline to, you know, go ahead and set our guidelines in all the way. And it's only 3 guards that I use: the half guard, 1 guard, and 1.5 guard. The highest I'm going is 1.5 guard. After I hit the 1.5 guard, we're gonna start blending down. So what I would do next is close the lever on the 1.5 guard, and so the fade can start transitioning. Right here, we're gonna go in with our 1 guard, lever closed with my wall seniors, and we're just gonna attack at that middle guideline that I set in. Right here, we're gonna go in with our half guard. You will be flicking at that middle line, and this will help that blend transition better. And this is where you'll see the fade. It'll transition from longer hair to shorter hair. And then afterwards, you'll just have that bottom guideline that you'll have to take out, which we will be proceeding to. Right here, I'm just simply detailing because I saw it was a line still there in the middle. So I'm just simply detailing that. Make sure you detail when you fade. This will help your blends and fades just literally just pop out better. Right here is the final step. You take your clipper or whatever clipper that you have and lever close, no guard, and you flick at that bottom line to take it out. And this is your taper. This is where you complete your taper. It's the same steps with a fade. If you're doing a fade, you can do these same steps and apply them to the fade. The only difference is your guidelines will be bigger and you'll have more room to work with. As we are coming to the end of this video, I need y'all to go ahead and tell me how this fire taper came out. Go ahead and smash that like button, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and click that bell notification for me. Keep tuning in for the bangers. We're going to keep it going. Let's go ahead and get to 50 subscribers. Right now in my chair, we have TBJ25. Go ahead and look up my guy. Actually, matter of fact, he's going to be in the description. So go ahead and tap that link in the description for me. Follow me on Instagram at Triiipleooo 3 eyes 3 O. Go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And comment how you think this fire taper come out. I think it came out real fire. But go ahead and let me know what you think in the comments below. Go ahead and, subscribe to my boy TBJ25. Thank you guys for watching. All right, peace out, Fade fam.